Welcome back, guys. It's Kids Cooking Playground here, and today we're back for another video. Second post today. So if you haven't watched our Rock Monster 1.1, which I accidentally named 1.2, so you guys can watch that because that's our first post today. So second post today. So if you didn't know, we saw our first day of spring, and I think the Punxsutawney Phil, whatever the heck he's called, the little groundhog dude, said that it would be 6 more weeks of winter. Well, it's like the heat of summer now. So I mean, like, if you live here, it's so hot. So Phil is wrong.
It's a wonderful day.
Oh yeah.
Let's have a barbecue.
Okay, so this is my project that I made. It's a spring cooking game animation because people ask for a cooking spring whatever game animation. So we decided to make this. So
it's a wonderful day.
Little
Let's have a
butterflies
barbecue.
flying.
I agree. Let's light the fire.
Cat, other cat, a bucket here, and a little grill. Hold some fire sounds and a fire. We actually drew this fire, and then we put the skewer on. Look, the different foods.
It is done. Eating. Let's eat.
So,
yeah, I'm hungry.
So they're eating the food right now. And then
yeah,
the fire.
Let me put out the fire.
So he kicks the bucket and it flips over and it dumps the fire out.
Let's go home.
So then they go home. So it's a simple animation that you can make. So we're not going to teach this animation. It's just a showcase, and we will show you the code and we will provide all the sprites. So we can also draw your own sprites, so we'll be teaching you how to draw your own sprites. So stick in for like the next 10 minutes or so. So here you go. We have all this stuff. So I'm gonna draw the logs for you. I'm not a good artist, so I'm gonna try doing this. So I'm gonna get this color real quick. So yeah. So this is how you draw logs. So paint. You need outline, no outline, and then this thing. The first one should look like this. So it should be as big as that. I mean, like, it's off the screen right now, so you can position it better. I don't know. So you can also draw another one and tilt it, so make it long and skinny, so because wood is always different. So you can make it like thicker or smaller. So like this, you can flip it, so like a skinny one. You can make a skinny one. I think this one should be more bigger. I think this one should be more bigger. Yeah, this should be fine. So in that is that, and then we can also make another one. So we can make a thicker one. So this we can you can Control C, Control V. So I can make the other one thicker, but I decided to make this one less because it looks like the smaller logs are on top and then the bigger log is on the bottom. So this is basically how the fire log should look like, but I'm going to use this costume. So you guys can copy off of that, and then I'm going to show you how to draw a skewer next. Actually, first the grill, because the grill is the easier one. Yeah, so I drew that. So, paint. So first you have to start out with the little cubes. So, not the cubes. This. So draw the two things. So the two little things on the side of the grill, and you also need the thing. So I'm gonna make one like this tall, and then I'm gonna put the other one all the way on the other side. So it's Control C, Control V, and I'm gonna put it all the way here. I think I should put it there. Yeah. So I'm gonna position it later, so don't worry about that. Outline, the thickness should be 6. So let's do 6, and then make a long line all the way across. Oh no, all the way across here, and then and then a second line. Did I make it too close? I think I made it too close. So a second line. Oh my god, I made it too close. But I think that's fine. I can make multiple lines to make it Not like it's that close. So you have to hold the shift key while you're doing. Oopsies. It's always too close. Because the one that was over here is really close lines, and I want to make it really close so it looks like the same. So it should be around here. Yeah. So 3 of these. This looks great in my opinion. I don't know. But okay, so you guys can follow along or you can copy this one. I thought it was too. Yeah, so I just made it a little bit close. So yeah, I'm going to pull that one farther, and then I'm going to pull this one to make it look like the same as the other one that I have. So yeah, great. Great. So look, it looks like a grill now. So, and next we're going to work on the skewer. We need to make a plain old stick here. Thickness is, it's loading. Thickness is 10, so I'm going to make this 10, and then I'm going to make it. Then I'm going to make it, oopsies. I'm going to make it really like this. Did I make it? I can't even see it. I think it's hiding. Yeah, it's hiding. So I think it should be longer. I'm not sure. So yeah, we can make this longer, just a little bit. Yeah, that should be the right size. So I'm going to show it here. That's a little bit too long. Get a little bit shorter. It's fine. In your project, you can make it smaller. So I'm going to make some the whatever, the fruits, the veggies, whatever they're called, these things. I think they're vegetables. They're peppers. Pretty sure they're peppers. Grilling peppers. So yeah, peppers. We can also use a circle because circle looks quite well. So you can just make it, reshape it, make it big and make it small. Doesn't matter. So you can make it different sizes and shapes. You can make an onion, so we made an onion on one of them. You can make a fish, we even put a fish on one of them. So it's different things. You can make a lot of different creations. It's your creativity, because it always looks great. So I'm gonna make an onion ring next, because onion rings are great. So I could make onion ring, as you can see, whatever this color is. It's actually a circle, so outline is now this. And then I can make a circle, no fill, yeah, great. And then make the onion ring, see? Great onion ring, look, onion ring. So yeah, so it's just a skewer filled with meat. I don't know what meat, it can be any meat. If you're a vegetarian, that's fine. You can put it all veggies because everybody likes vegetables. So great, we can make it a different color like red. Like look, that's a red pepper, guys. So it's a red pepper, guys. Great. We can also put one more. I'm gonna put one more. I think it's the. So it can be meat if you like meat. Yeah. So I can put another piece of meat here. I don't know. I'm not a good artist, so make it like this. I don't know. It looks like a pepper, kinda. So, yeah, I can add a little top to that. All vegan skewer, guys. Pepper, 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 onion. Great. All vegan. So this is how you make the roasted version. So you just have to duplicate it and change the color. So I'm gonna start out with the green one. I'm gonna change this to a darker green because it's, whenever you roast something, it gets darker. If you didn't know that, probably already did. But I'm gonna make this one a more darker red, almost like a brown. So you can make it meat if you want to on your game. And then I can make this. I'm gonna make the brightness lower this. Oh my god, it's almost black. like this color. Great. And I can make this a darker red. And this yellow, almost like a maroon, can be less golden, so probably like that. Yeah, great. Look, it's a roasted skewer from raw to roasted. So, yeah. Or you can use this one. Look at this greatness. So, look, meat. There's meat, peppers, onions, meat, pepper, meat. And this is the roasted version. Oh, yeah, and you can also add the fish because Cat 2, the brown one, the gray one has a fish on it, so you can add a fish. And this is how you get a fish on your thing. So I'm going to go to skewer 2. Delete that costume first. I'm going to go back to the skewer. Oh, never mind. That's the regular costume. So, yeah, this one, you can make the fish. You just have to upload a costume and group it and put it into there. So that's how you make it. No. It's a search costume. So choose a costume. Fish. Because you know cats always love to eat fish. I'm pretty sure these are all tropical fish. I think this one might be edible. Not sure. I'm not a fish expert. So, yeah. So fish, you can just group this. Control C, and then put it like over here, Control V, and then you can delete this costume afterwards, and then you can just align it on one of those things. So I gotta group it first. So group it, group, and then you can add it anywhere you want. You can add it on the bottom, you can add it on the top, you can add a big fish, you can add a flip horizontal, you can make it flip the other way. So you can even make it really big, like you caught a big tuna or something, I don't know. To change the color of the fish, you gotta ungroup it and break it up. So ungroup, and then you gotta get on one of those little scales and little dots and scales. So that's for the whole one. You can make a brown color because you just fried a fish. So yeah, this is that. And we can make the meat like a darker color, a darker yellow, like, yeah, nice. Not coloring the whole thing because it's ungrouped, so nice. Make it a darker yellow. It's like almost a brown color. More like a plant type color. Not really. So yeah, or like a jade color. I don't know. So, and then, you can make the eye even darker, but that's fine. And you can change the color of the spots, but that's fine. You can do it if you want to. But we ungrouped it again, so now it's one spot by one spot. So this one and this one look very similar. So you can just, oh, I ungrouped it, so yeah. And then we can just group it back together. Group. So, and then you can add it onto your skewer if you want to. But this is the raw skewer, so you can put it on your cooked skewer. So that's basically how you do the fish. And then now we're going to teach you how to do the fire. So the fire is quite hard. So yeah, my dad drew all these fire costumes. We spent a lot of effort drawing all this stuff, reshaping squares and adding all these little particle effects. It took forever, believe me. And then, so, do you know why? So please like, share, subscribe right now. Please, just do it. And while you subscribe, your subscribe is going to be blazing hot and it's going to boost our channel. Thank you for your subscribe. Thank you. So you can make this fire. So I'm going to try to make this fire. So, I mean, like, I'm not a good artist, so I might just fail the fire. Looks very hard to do. So you just have to start out with a circle. Looks so bland, but you just have to reshape it into life. So, yeah, maybe change some edges, make some ridges, I don't know. Make it like a fire type of shape. Takes forever. We might make 1 or 2 costumes or 3 for you to see. So, looks more like a dinosaur print, like when you step, like one of those T-Rexes that are stomped down and they make the little print in the mud. But right now, we have to add all the fire effects and it will look glorious. So right now, I'm reshaping all the fire and making it a paw print. I don't know what this is right now. Looks way different. It looks. So I'm not a good artist. So yeah, this looks like a a dog, like a dog hand, but the ring finger is kind of messed up, and the pinkies are, and the middle finger is so short. So yeah, looks like a volcano now. So but you have to copy paste it, Control C, Control V. You make another set of it, and then you make it smaller and make it inside. And now you have to change the color just a little bit and reshape it so then it'll fit inside the fire. So great. And we can change the color of this blazing hot thing, the inside of the fire. If you ever seen a fire, like in those cartoons and stuff, they always have the red layer, the orange layer outside, and they have like the lighter orange layer, and then they have the yellow layer. So that's basically what we're doing right now. So yeah, yeah, this one looks way better. So we can make a third one, which we have to, I guess. So this fire is looking kind of screwed. So we can add a third layer, but we're not gonna do that. You can add some little particle effects, like just some, you know, I don't know, red little lava effects coming out, like in Minecraft. If you ever played Minecraft, you probably have. I mean, like Minecraft, like the lava pits, they always have like lava jumping out. So that's basically what we're doing. And then you can also make some gas as well, which is because fire emits a deadly gas. So yeah, we can make some gas, make a gray color. So gray, draw some little, I don't know, gas particles. So around the fire, and then you should make them go up, and then new gas particles come out. So we also have this in the Google Drive. If you don't want to make your fire and it ends up looking like a butterfly or something, then you can download it. Feel free to download it. And if you don't understand, watch our how to download Google Drive video. Yeah, you can do that. It's on our channel. So yeah, we could. Yeah, so this is basically our animation. You can code whatever you want, but first I'm going to show you the code to our animation. So I'm going to start out at the butterfly, because butterfly is just useless. Just flies there doing nothing. So this is the butterfly. Feel free to pause, because we're almost at the 20-minute mark, so we got to speed this up. Grill, nah, this is no code, basically. Fire logs, nope, this is barely any code as well. Skewer, so first I'm going to start out with the regular cat. I can't even zoom in. I could drag this thing down there, so you can see it all, right? Yeah. So this is for a regular cat. So you could do this, and you can make them talk back and forth like it's like a real conversation. And then you can go to cat 2. This is basically all the code. Feel free to pause, remember. And yeah. This is pretty good. I mean, like, they're having, like, a conversation. Yeah, I'm hungry. Yeah, let me put out the fire and stuff. So, skewer. This is where the skewer jumps onto the grill and starts burning itself. So, yeah, nice. You feel free to pause. And then skewer 2. The code's everywhere. So this looks great as well. And then we got skewer 2. And then, yeah. And then take out. Oh, I forgot to name this. Take out. If you use the first costume of takeout, it looks really like a bucket. So yeah, take out A. It looks so much like a bucket. If you did not know, Chinese food. Yeah, always like that. Always looks like a bucket outside. So great. All this stuff. Fire gone. Fire put out. All this stuff. And then you can also do the backdrop. Add some music. And then we have the fire cackling. I didn't demo the fire code yet, so here's the fire code. And then there, fire sound. So I think I actually got this from a real life fire that I made like a while ago, and I just recorded like the fire just cackling and then at the camp, so I just took some sound from that. So yeah, that's what I did. So yeah. that's about it, guys. And you guys remember to make your own story, or you can just copy our story. I don't know. You can if you want to, but remember, you can be creative, make your own story, and you might even get it favorited. So, bye guys. It's the end of this video, and see you guys next time.